Hello everybody, this is Elke from Promas Auto Sales. Today we have this gorgeous handicap van. Follow me, we're gonna take some pictures. We just got here to a park. Dogs are ready to go out. You're looking at a wheelchair van, rear lift. Very low miles, guys. Okay guys, this is how the ramp works. So all you have to just pull it out like this, real light, as you can see, easy access. And then once you're done, just pull it out, one finger, real light, you see, really easy to work. Manual ramp. Good tires all the way around. Okay guys, we're gonna show the interior. We got the power windows, power vents, mirrors. We got 99,000 miles, as you can see. No dash on the light. We got the seat belt. The doors are open, rear and side doors. Full tank of gas. We have the AC, front, rear, all the controls right here, radio, wipers in the back. This is where you control all the power doors and power mirrors. You press these right here, opens the side door. Then this one, you close the rear door. You can see right now happening. Perfect. You have a brand new spare tire. Right side, driver's side. AC controls. Okay, I'm going to show you the motor. It's got a 3.3 V6, very low miles, 99,000.